Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor. And here's the new one. Part number. This is our OEM Denso mass airflow sensor. So first you want to do, same thing. Make sure the car is cool. And then just unplug it. And if you got a factory, aftermarket intake, it's going to have an Allen. If you got the factory airbox, you're going to have two Phillips heads. So a similar procedure, just different screws. So just undo that. Now these usually last a long time. Usually the life of the vehicle, but it's better to replace it. My car is 10 years old. 11 years old. So I figure it's better to start replacing. Especially since it's high mileage. 179,000. Take that out. Take out your new one. See? And it already comes with a little gasket. Just pop it in. Same as the old one. Put the screws back in. And that's pretty much it. And then just plug this back in and run the car. I'm gonna tighten this off camera and all that. That way you can do this a lot quicker. But appreciate you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.